Welcome to your letting go meditation. To begin, sit quietly, cross-legged, spine erect, closing your eyes, and notice your breath flow. Allowing your breath to flow, extend your exhalation, and as you do so, put your attention and awareness on the heart area within. Allow yourself to melt outer body tension. Scanning your body and noticing the areas of more tension and less tension. Let tension melt. You can also put your attention at the point above and between your eyebrows, the third eye chakra. So either focusing all your attention at the point above and between the eyebrows, or all of your attention on the heart area within, or somehow divided between the two. Scan the internal body and notice the density of concentration of energy. Some areas of the body may be less concentrated, where some are more. With an awareness of the concentrations of energy within your physical body, allow that energy to dissipate now and travel outside of your physical body so that it surrounds your body. Let it flow a foot out, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4. So you're surrounded by this energy externally. You may visualize that colorfully or sense it nourishingly insulating you. And also notice that clarity that takes its place within your physical form. Isn't it cool how you can be 4 feet out and throughout a space between your physical body and the boundaries of which you're witnessing your physical body, as well as tuned into your heart and aware of your internal body. Notice a wave of gratitude pass over you. And let's use that energy to seal in the field that surrounds your physical body with golden light, just a shield, so that you are protected from the energy that you receive and how much and what quality of energy you extend. Seated here within your field, like you're seated on a lotus flower or inside a crystal ball. Look around for any areas you can let go. What are you holding on to? Where is that one place that no matter what you're told, no matter what is going on, no matter what you're trying to do, you still want to hold on? Can you let that go? What is the dilemma you're trying to solve? Can you walk away? Can you let go? Bringing yourself back to this moment, lift your palms, bent at the elbows, palms face outward. Feel the connection between energy and palm. Feel the surfaces of your palm. And what you're experiencing. As you slowly let your palms be attracted towards each other, as they come towards each other, you may feel some resistance between them. Allow that resistance to push through the wrists, through the arms, into your body, into your heart. Bringing the palms down to your womb space. Sending energy to the womb and the pelvis. I want you to feel heaviness in your legs and in your butt, in your hips, grounding, low back. belly, starting to move the palms up to your solar plexus, pressing and feeling the energy in the solar plexus. As you press on your solar plexus, feeling your field of energy expanding in that area with the color yellow, if the color helps. Bringing your palms to your heart and placing them, pressing them on your heart. The color green. Bringing your hands to your throat, the color blue. Bringing your palms towards your jaw and tracing your face, and then just lightly, gently touching your third eye, forehead. Clearing the hair off your brow and forehead, placing both hands gently on your crown of your head, on top of your head. Tracing that energy where your crown connects with the sky above, and pulling that energy down through your body, back to your heart, palms back down to your lap, licking your lips, starting to rock your head side to side. Slowly, gently, gazing downward, just crease your eyes open. Blinking your eyes. You can look all around. Coming into this room. Coming back into your day. Namaste.